local sports e ko mbedi mo kura ju kura e bre ye bra e se bari ye wo bia no gotam kutu say de ne pa e bro from 30 so ye mo isiri mu nkan sim bia ye fabricate story bia wa ha story bia ba bia ne from original source and so you can face out we ye Kotoko we ye Hasofuku we ye bia no ba bi bia ra team bia support bia no ye be bo mo de anse ye benya ho nsem bari bia nusu no bia so no na ye dia bro ma so what de ko so
abusanfo ye mo bia kwa ba e de ba Daakyehene Kwaku TV so ene de ebre aso say ye de agokanse mu nsem ebre mo Daakyehene Kwaku TV so aha e purely local sports afisem nko a aha na Daakyehene e bono tofa e Daakyehene Kwaku TV so e ma na hefo ene natifo nyina mema wo revi say last week we breaking was say Black Meteors under 23 a free tournament ni mukura a yare hosem yi na after the game no coach Ibrahim Tanko e de nsemi tudwa na yenti nsem a working was say Ghana lacks quality and we need to improve to avoid being left behind. And some more can or trust us say, I think we disappointed Ghanaians and ourselves, but we give thanks to God in every situation. And like I said, we will analyze and know what didn't go well. And so in some more, if we coach Ibrahim Tanko ho edebre emra Black Meteors free me or tournament so ewo Morocco no mema wo refi say latest CAF ranking abeto dwa sesia Morocco edikan ayehwemu a top 10 no Ghana enim Ghana at the 11th position the whole Africa nkofo hu ni say areho na na Ghana football sese ekuri ema nkofo ebrebu afu yi papa ema Emmanuel Adimambadu eden pefo abeto dja anyasem kitokra de o kan yina ne say how can we be so over reliant on IMF foreign born and foreign based players at youth level? If our local league can't produce players for our youth football, then we are in serious trouble. When I talk, I don't get anything from it, but I am talking because the sport that gave me something is about to die and I can't just look on. Ghana football is in dangerous times. If care is not taken in a couple of years, qualification to major competitions may become problematic. Adimabadu Semwa also editu Jano. And so Derek Boateng also a former Black Star player. And someone also can say it is about time we start being fair and tough in our decisions. We haven't done enough to be at the Olympic Games. For me, I think the GFA don't know what they are doing. I don't think the GFA school will help Ghana football. The GFA think they have answers to everything. Our youth football is collapsing and it is about time we stop thinking about the Black Stars. The FA wants a lot of players in the national teams and that is why we don't perform. When CK Akono was there, the FA were telling him the kind of players he should call, and when things didn't go well, they kick him out. And so in someone Derek Boateng so if you go abufu abayi papa. We chino Jordan Ayew and so edin sem kakra etudwa. Jordan Ayew ni ko buza na se na dachi bia no odani be kire Ghana ha a obepetim bia bo na wo se ye no kre. The Ghana Premier League is something that I have in mind. One day I could play for a team in Accra because I based in Accra. That's one day who said that she be no oh bebo team be a Accra since Accra no tie on person betu kwa bebre. Na say we there good news come Accra so folk any Accra get to Olympics omo won kra no likely say Jordan Ayew e be team de ball no abewi ho so. Ne kasa ananso ho ade o kan nyina ne se one ni nua de Ayew ne bra pani emfie bebre wo manimu a omo ewo ne Padima Ghana Blasters nti one ni nua ne de se nkrofo expect se ba ko be return manimu and o se David yes aka ne do so ese omo timi enjo omo ho ewo Ghana Blasters nti Ghanaians enhwe ni mu se afekura na agro no ebe so a omo betimi abekire omo bre ewo Ghana Blasters mu yi papa ani nanu ani nansa de tie ane se manhia a dissolve board of directors e de makrobia kuma Asante Kotoko any management ni nyina nti semo a efiri ho ba na hunhu a yete nyina ne se coach Kwasi Apia former Blaster coach nso ekopi mo manhia nkomo twetwe ba ni hunhu a yete nyina ne se e likely say coach Kwasi Apia ebetimi abaye krobia kuma Asante Kotoko coach nso ne semo a efiri ho nso eba Enoch Morrison Kotoko player no so person share experience kakra e de kire ahwefo ne Kotoko supporters nyina de oka nyina ne say very amazing season, even though I didn't end the season the way I wanted, but I did what I was supposed to do and what was expected of me. It is an amazing season that I had. Which means somewhere Enoch Morrison so any share me obi pimo krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko no enye ono nkwan so and the Kumasi so can de me ono so be pimo krobia no was when I started I was scoring 102 goals. But it got to a point, some players were saying so many things that when strikers come to Kotoko and start to score, people will praise them and tomorrow they are gone. And that was when everything changed. I was finding it difficult to get past to score. In some kind deeper, I say nipa yetna na yedwene ho yi papa no so ne nsemo every and dukumi was see kasa kopi mo Serbia club FN FK Radingik no so ho no man nei and the community so anytime akoba no Nations FC abepimo Ghana Premier League member we visa ma qualify and you ma beka Premier League no is a head coach obedi o mani ma Kasim Menge o Kansi and assistant coach no be so aye Johnson Smith and so ho no aha na breve ma Daakyehene Kwaku kwan ya modi mo asi o Daakyehene Kwaku TV so oba so na subscribe ya odaroma no me subscribe button no so cause wa share video no send them afoforo no monten semo a etwago Daakyehene Kwaku TV so until then stay focused and stay blessed. I love you all. Bye bye.